Hey everyone, great news for all the e-reader fans out there. Remember back in September when Amazon unveiled its new lineup of Kindle Scribe e-readers? Well, the wait is over for two of them. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the new Kindle Scribe with front light are officially available to buy. Just in time for the holidays. I've just gotten my hands on the review samples, and I'm really excited to dive in and test them out for you. Now, let's talk about the price, because these aren't cheap. The new monochrome Scribe with a front light starts at $500. If you want that beautiful new color screen, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630. That's a serious investment. But Amazon has packed in some significant upgrades that might just make it worthwhile. First off, the screen is bigger. We're talking an 11-inch display, up from 10.2 inches on the previous model. What's impressive is that they managed to fit this larger screen into a similar-sized body by shrinking the bezel too. The new Scribes are also slimmer and lighter, making them more comfortable to hold. Under the hood, a new custom processor promises a 40% performance boost, which should make everything feel much snappier. One of the biggest questions on my mind was about the display quality. If you followed the launch of the smaller Kindle Colorsoft last year, you might remember some users reported a faint yellow tint on the screen, especially with the front light on. Amazon did address the issue, but it was a concern. So, the first thing I did after unboxing the new Scribe Colorsoft was to check for that same problem. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and looked very closely. I'm happy to report that I didn't see any yellowing at all. The screen looks clean and uniform. It seems Amazon's newly redesigned display, with its mini LED lighting system, has completely fixed that issue. This new design also brings the pen tip closer to the digital ink, so writing on it feels more natural, almost like writing directly on a piece of paper. Amazon has really focused on the writing experience with these new models. They've used a new texture-molded glass to give the pen just the right amount of friction as it glides across the screen, combined with the reduced parallax and the faster processor. Taking notes and marking up documents feels incredibly responsive. So, the new Scribes are here. They're lighter, faster, have a bigger and better screen. And the flagship color model seems to have solved the display issues of its predecessor. I'll be putting these through their paces over the next few days and will have a full in-depth review for you very soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.